Hello friends, Mr. Farrow here. I wanted to show you guys a couple of tips on Read and Write for Google. Let's jump right in. So once you have your tab open, this is the icon right here, the Read and Write extension for Google Chrome. So once you click on it, you should get this bar here, which have all the features. I'm not gonna go over everything. I'm just gonna go over the main ones. So if you have a document, let's say you have a document with some readings on it, and Read and Write for Google can read for you. All you need to do is click on the place where you want to start it, and then you press play.
Is he a pilot or a robot?
And
isn't he the carpenter's parent? Does he eat breakfast? Doesn't he?
So you see it reads for you, right? You can play, pause, stop right here. Now, you can use these highlighters to highlight with different colors, and let's say you want this one this color. Let's see, breakfast, a different color. And so if you click on this icon, collect highlights, it will create a separate document with just those items that you highlighted and with the colors that you highlighted. If you do this one, vocabulary, which is really good, it will generate a file with a column that reads the words and some images for each of the words, and you in a space for notes. One thing that not everybody knows about this, it has a regular dictionary, which is fine, but the built-in Google Docs already come with it. So the cool thing is about this picture dictionary, which see, it lets you, it shows a few pictures on the word that you highlight. That is really cool. Like, I want to see breakfast. Click on it, show you. These are the very basic features that are very useful. So again, it can read for you. You can select where you want to start. You can also select a place and then just click on.
Isn't he the carpenter's parent?
Just click it there and it will read for you. Screenshot reader. I don't have installed. So some of the features here, I'm not on the school network, so it's not letting me show exactly. But I want to keep the video short as well. So these are the main features that I want to show you guys. This voice note is very interesting. It's just like, imagine if you were to add a note in here, but instead of a read note, what you want to do, if you click here, it will let you record a message and insert the note as a voice message, as a voice note. So you don't have to type a whole lot. The student doesn't have to type a whole lot. I think that's it. Those are the main features for Read and Write for Google.